Beauty's when you just got out the shower, hair still dripping, wrapped up in a towel. Beauty's when you're ready in an hour. Them long legs, I call them the Twin Towers. You put that.
Hey baddies, it's your girl Destiny B, and we're back in Snatch, sweetie. If you're new here, I am a licensed cosmetologist focused on healthy hair and editorial hair. I create content that unveils the beauty industry's untold secrets, as well as exposing what you thought you knew. Today's video is dedicated to type 2 hair. Now, a lot of us may not know what products are good for our hair or how to shop for type 2 hair, but this is solely for type 2 hair and those who may not know if they have a type 2 hair. I'm gonna help debunk this or clarify this whole thing. Type 2 hair is considered wavy hair. There are 3 subtypes to type 2 hair: 2A, 2B, and 2C. As you graduate along the alphabet, the intensity of that hair type increases. 2A has a slight ripple in its shape, 2B has a medium S shape, and 2C has a defined S shape. Each hair type has their own yays and nays, which are just basically the perks and the kind of annoyances or nuisances of having that hair type, which we all have, and that's okay. There are 3 yays that I found for type 2 hair. One is that sebum travels freely throughout the strands of the hair, which means that your natural hair oils are fully supporting the strands of your hair for your hair to grow and be nourished and do well. Number 2, I found that type 2 hair doesn't need too much to maintain its natural hydration. Number 3, that nobody really thinks about, is that it's easy for type 2 hair to transition to a straight, sleek hairstyle. A few nays, which are just common struggles that type 2 hair may have, is that your hair may tend to get weighed down easily, you may tend to have frizzies, and you may struggle with definition. So how do we go about these things? A few tips that I have for type 2 hair people is to 1, wash at least once or twice or whenever you see fit. Many of you, like with clients that I have, they wash their hair about 3 times a week. Like if you're going to the gym or you have a lot of activities in your daily life, then you may tend to wash your hair more often. But remember to put that hydration back. Do not oversaturate your hair, however. So I would suggest that you guys do weekly either hot oil treatments that you rinse out thoroughly, or you do deep conditioning treatments, which will help with those who may have a lot of frizziness in your hair. Frizziness may be caused by split ends, or it may be the fact that your hair is reaching out for some moisture, which means you lack hydration. Another tip that I have is to use light products. Do not oversaturate your hair with all of these gunky products. A lot of wavy hair people tend to go through the extremes of being product junkies, and it's not necessary. You don't need these type of products. You don't need puddings. You don't need custards. That's not for you. So when you're shopping, you want to look out for keywords such as you want to stick to mousses that will help with definition. You want to stick to gels. I wouldn't really say creams. I would stick to dry oils for my girls who need some to maintain their frizziness. Also, dry shampoos help a lot, like a lot. A lot of you may have busy schedules, you can't really wash your hair, or I don't know, you just had a blowout and you want to maintain it or stretch it along into the week. Use dry shampoo. Literally spray it in your head before you go to sleep, and when you're sleeping, which is when we produce a lot of the oils in our scalp, it'll soak it up. Brands that you can try are like Deva Curl, the light pink line, and the turquoise line. as well as mixed chicks. But like I said, stay away from like puddings and all that sorts of stuff. You can also try Shea Moisture. I would do the coconut and hibiscus line. Just stick to light products. You don't need a whole bunch of products, okay? Comment down below on what your routine is, or how you use the products you use, or what product lines or new lines that you've tried and you like and you think are successful. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll be back with more of the Back to the Basics series, you know, and yeah, stay tuned for more of 2020 action.
The 20s, baby. The 20s. Talk to me nice.
Alright, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, put those post notification bells on, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, talk to me, tweet me, holla at me.
Straight up, but the rest swerve. You know it's beauty when a smile is her best curve. That's real beauty, no makeup shit. The girl you dream about and wanna wake up with.